second half, first half for mina, yeah, it was bad. It was bad. Like, I understand which is my intentions were to win. So I think this winner game ngamasapho yabo. Noma mamasapho ningobona sishintsha like now and then isibuza ukuthi yo coach wenzani manje. Makazoshintsha like after 10 minutes to 15 minutes ufaka umdlali after 10 minutes. Ngafeel ukuthi yo amasapho amangaka. But I think amasapho you asunisa game. To tell the truth, amasapho you asunisa game. And then into nengithukile ngithi yo bafaka uNdlovu. uNdlovu angithi namazi udlala liphi ibhola. But after bamsapile uNdlovu, I think laphana nomthetho bakhona ukudlalisana futhi azathoya ne-assist because uNdlovu asiplay ungalithemba because uyamazi makangena eground itsali uphuma ne-yellow card noma ama-unnecessary tackle. But shame for le game ukuthi bamsaphe, I think ubonile or ukuthi maybe isikhukhune nesingana pressure lapha ku-middle fielder because u-Ox nakayiphetha u-high. So ngifila ukuthi maybe it was nakafila kahle uNdlovu ukuthi okay labantu laba i-middle fielder bifeel, so there's no use ukuthi ngishaya ama-unnecessary tackle. Ngamupha ke uNdlovu kule game ku-second half shini yeah ngamupha umdu naye ukorile but umdu ngisane problem ngaye ngokulda ibhola isikhathi eside kunala ngene eboxini umdu mangabe uyaphasa usafuna ukujika awulda ibhola isikhathi eside. But for le goal lela likorile at least ube composed yabo athela ngamanzi azange afuna ukwenza izinto eziningi waba yigoal. And then umunye umuntu umthethwa for mina I feel ukuthi umthetho uzoba man of the match for me because uyosizile lenza ukuthi i-middle fielder yesikhukhune ingadlali lapha because use-3 cards naka overload kakhulu lapha na ku-middle field yabo. And then uba nomunye futhi no Batman ngamupha uBatman ukorile noma na first half ungidlalele but akangidlala ngaleyo ndlela leyo. Uphili uphili I think is a quality player. Uphili unid umuntu ozongicompliment and ngibuyele kule nto ubhuti into kade ayisho. I think uphili bamdlela umona ngifuna ukuthi baba jealous ukuthi bamphathi yabo because asibekeni igoli la kaBatman licala ukuphili apha uSolomons naye omunye decision making lapha nengisitshela ukuthi uzenza into zakhe kanti athola ukuthi nangu ubani lo uShabalala not uShabalala man uBatman ngoba yigoal. So uphili is a good player but unid ukuthi bamcabangele bangabi selfish. Ngifuna ukuthi nami banokuba selfish nyani ukuthi hayi lo asimphathi whereas uyayibona into ayenzayo and then i player engifila ukuthi lingidlalele yeah okay ungihwesa udlalile kuleso kulapho because ngifila ukuthi okay udlalile but not that much because bamfaka isikhathi masisisincane. Umunyani naye same thing and mina ngicomplain ukuthi why bamfakile uSolomons ngoba uSolomons for mina didn't have a good game beside the assist le kube bafaka umunyani lapha. So nomunyani makangena uyabona ukuthi ama cross ayangena beside lento uSolomons kade asipha yona emuva ukunika emuva usebenzile ukunika emuva but uMiguel man ngine-problem noMiguel emuva man siyanida ukuthi silungise nyane emuva because ekunalana ngibona isikhukhune singathi siyasi-attack-a khona and siyabhola watch. And then umuntu odlalele kabi hayi uGotaro today yo it was bad for him uGotaro, it was bad. Nala ngifuna ukuthi sakakhathela and ngizibuza ukuthi wayecoach kade angamkhiphi ngisho ukuthi okay makafake uSilva maybe kuzoba nani into engcono nyana. And the nice thing engithandile ngesecond half masiceda ukukora azange sa-relax. I-Chiefs ine-problem ukuthi mabaceda ukukora baya-relax yabo. So kulani ngibona uDakhuza batshela ukuthi akuyeni phambili asi-attack ngasa-attack that's why we able ukuthi sithole le second goal le asa-attack uyabona mangabe i-consistency ethu uzoba kanjalo based on ukuthi masiceda ukukora sivele siyaphambili asi-relax. I don't think ukuthi ama-team amaningi azosiphanisha ngoba nasinaleyo nkinga leyo and last season naleyo nkinga yasenzela ukuthi sabagcine sabashaya amanye ama-team a-recover agcine sawawina igame. So ngibonile naye uDakhuza bathe ukuthi attack angazikuyeni phambili bafethu ngoba first half nokwama back pass yabo. So siwinile but many things kumele ukuthi sizilungise khona amanye ama-player nakhona kumele ukuthi akaphakamisa amagawusi. But anyway sayithatha i-3 point to go to Mamelodi Sundowns izopha ama-player i-confidence mara kunala kumele ukuthi silungise. Enye futhi naye ucoach man lento ukuthi a-change i-lineup now and then izosipha inkinga isikhathi masesiye angashintshi into engamoshekanga yabona yinto ngimile ukuthi ucoach nami ngifuna ukuthi ayilungise angashintshi into engamoshekanga then sizobona nge-Sundowns ukuthi what it's what but